Okay, let's jump right in. We're going to demystify the whole online property tax payment process for Douglas County, Colorado today. But before we get into the clicks and the keystrokes, ask yourself this. Do you actually know where your money goes when you pay that annual bill? Property tax is the primary way we fund localized public infrastructure. We're talking fire protection, municipal services, and of course, schools. For beginners and longtime homeowners alike, paying this liability accurately and on time is absolutely crucial to avoid costly penalties and protect your property title. So today we're going to walk through the entire online payment process step by step, making it incredibly simple.
To start off with a pretty intriguing fact, historically, about 50% of your property tax dollar goes directly to funding the Douglas County School District. So when you're logging on to pay your assessment, you are literally making a massive direct investment in the local educational infrastructure right in your own backyard. It kind of puts that whole tax bill into perspective, doesn't it?
Here is our roadmap for today's explainer. 1. The property tax basics. 2. Prepping for online payment. 3. The online checkout process. 4. Security and common pitfalls. And 5. Support and resources.
Section 1. The property tax basics. Understanding your bill.
So when those statements arrive in your mailbox in January, you might wonder what you're actually paying for. Well, the crucial point here is that Colorado bills property taxes 1 year in arrears. What that means is you're currently paying last year's accrued liabilities. It's basically a financial time machine. The county assessor evaluates your property's value, and then the county treasurer is mandated to bill and collect those revenues. Because of this structural lag, staying strictly on top of your current deadlines is absolutely vital to keeping your property's tax ledger in good standing.
And this brings us to the strict statutory deadlines you've got to meet. The state gives you two options. You can use the split payment option, where your first half is due the last day of February and the second half is due June 15th. Or you can choose the lump sum option and just pay the entire balance by April 30th. Whether you choose the split option or the lump sum, you have to hit these dates. If you miss them, the Treasurer's Office initiates a delinquency process that tacks on a 1% monthly interest penalty. Trust me, you do not want that.
Section 2. Prepping for online payment. Gathering your data. Okay, before you even reach the checkout cart, there is a golden rule you have to follow to avoid the most common error taxpayers make. To pay online, your main prerequisite is your property account number. Your account number absolutely must start with the letter R, P, M, or C, and this is the kicker, followed by a numerical 0. Taxpayers constantly type the alphabetical letter O instead of the number 0, and that triggers a super frustrating no account found error. So, numerical 0, folks.
To access the official tax account search portal securely, you'll navigate to the Douglas County Treasurer's website and use only one of these specific search parameters at a time. If you try to enter your account number and your street address at the exact same time, the query is going to fail. It's like crossing the streams. Just don't do it. Just pick one, like your 12-digit parcel number printed on your statement, and hit search. Once the system generates your record, just click right below the green description summary bar to open up your dedicated property ledger.
Section 3. The online checkout process. Executing your payment.
All right, let's build a step-by-step workflow for a one-time immediate payment. First up, you'll select the Pay Taxes interface. Clicking the red text or the dollar amount populates your cart. From there, you select your installment, either the first half, second half, or full payment. Hit Checkout, enter a valid email address so you can get your receipt, and then choose your payment channel. Boom! The payment will post directly to your public tax account ledger.
When choosing your payment method, definitely watch out for the fees. These are third-party vendor fees. They're not kept by the county, and they are completely non-refundable. E-checks are a highly cost-effective flat rate of just $1.50 per transaction using the ACH network. Meanwhile, credit and debit cards charge a massive 2.5% fee based on your total tax bill. On a large tax bill, that percentage can really add up, making the e-check the preferred choice for a lot of homeowners.
But if you do use an e-check, you must be precise, because standard online check systems don't perform real-time verification of your bank numbers or your available balance. Transcribing an incorrect bank account or routing number will trigger a painful $35 returned payment penalty. Ouch. You actually have to type the number twice to help prevent this, so absolutely double-check those digits against your physical checkbook before you click Submit.
Alternatively, if you want to automate your finances and just not worry about logging in on deadline day, the Douglas County Treasurer provides an online scheduling portal via MSB Pay for future-dated scheduled payments. You'll need to register an account with a strong password, save a payment method like your checking account, and then you can easily schedule your first and second half payments well ahead of the statutory deadlines. Set it and forget it.
Section 4. Security and Common Pitfalls. Protecting your transaction. Now, this is a massive administrative pitfall that traps people every single year. You absolutely cannot pay local county property taxes through the state's Revenue Online platform. The state platform is for income tax. If you try to pay your county property tax there, you are going to misapply your funds. Your county property tax ledger will remain unpaid, and you expose your property to those nasty interest penalties and potential tax liens. Always ensure you're on the official Douglas County website to avoid fraudulent sites or misdirected funds. When setting up scheduled payments, security is absolutely paramount. The system mandates a multi-factor identity verification process, sending an 8-digit secure code directly to your email. This ensures only you control your money. And hey, if you ever experience a forgotten password or weird website glitch, don't panic. Just use the Forgot Password link to securely reset your credentials. And quickly double-check that your browser has cookies and JavaScript enabled for the portal to function properly.
Section 5. Support and resources. Where to turn for help.
Even with a great guide, technology can glitch, or you might have a totally unique situation regarding an escrow account or a tax exemption. Whether you have a quick question or a complex portal issue, the Treasurer's Office actually offers an incredible variety of responsive communication tools. You can call them, email them, or even send an SMS text message. And if you're stuck right on the payment screen, look for the real-time text chat widget in the lower right corner of the website to get immediate help from county staff.
And if you're ever curious about the granular distribution of your tax assessments to local entities, the county hosts interactive maps online just for you. By visiting yourdugcounttaxes.com, you can look up your specific parcel and see exactly how your tax dollars are divided between the county, the school district, the fire department, and special municipal districts. It is a really fantastic tool for civic transparency.
So, to recap, armed with the correct property account number and an understanding of the fees and statutory deadlines, navigating this online portal is entirely stress-free. Remember to choose the payment method that works best for you, double-check those bank numbers to avoid penalties, and reach out to the Treasurer's support channels if you ever hit a snag.
Please take a quick moment to review this professional disclaimer. The information provided in this explainer is current as of July 31st, 2026. Viewers are advised to verify all details directly with local authorities or consult a financial advisor for personalized advice, as administrative portals and local tax policies can occasionally update over time. So, now that you've mastered the property tax portal, what other local government systems would you like to see demystified? Leave your answers, experiences, or any lingering questions in the comments below. Engaging with the community really helps everyone learn faster. Thank you so much for joining me, and we'll see you in the next explainer.